Hello and welcome. I am WMS and you will be educated. In this lecture, you will be educated in the basic warehouse setup. So, basically, there are two important expressions in this lecture: facility and company. We want to create a new warehouse, which will be represented by physical building, and that means we will create a new facility. And we also create new company. In WMS, companies are divided into parent and child companies, and this structure exists in order to help 3PLs to view and manage their clients' inventory and settings independently. So for the facility, there are more options. You can create distribution center, you can create store and site. We are going to create distribution center, and we are also going to create one company, which will be the child one, as we already have parent company. I suppose you already have parent company. If not, you can use this reference to the My Oracle support in order to check how is it possible to create parent company. Basically, you need some assistance by Oracle. And second reference is about stock visibility for stores. So yeah, let's move on to the WMS. Let's sign in your credentials, which you already should have, I hope. And the first screen which we are going to use will be facility. Let's navigate to the search bar and type facility, or at least the beginning. Yep, this one. And I will create the new one via the plus button. So let's choose the code. It will be, for example, WH01. The name would be warehouse DC, yeah. And the facility type, as I already mentioned, with the distribution center. There are many fields can be used. Address, for example, email, contact, time zone. Important. So let's choose, for example, Europe, Guyana. Parent company, also mandatory, and it would be probably all. So now we have our new physical building facility WH01. It's already created as WMS managed. It's definitely good. We could unset it, but we don't want to. And now we are going to create company. At this moment, there is only the parent company always. So let's navigate to the companies. Let's create the new company. Let's call it, for example, Skynet. Yeah. As usual, you have many fields to be used. Also, you can use the image, the picture, which will be visible here in the WMS, as you will see in one of next lecture. Save. Yeah, some error. There is let's use the company name. Probably also mandatory. Yeah, I think so. I missed the red star here, but one is also mandatory. Perfect. Now we have the Skynet company, and next step, yeah, you have several settings for the companies. For example, the settings about the passwords. You can also deactivate the company which you don't want to. And let's assign the new company under this warehouse created in the previous step. Now it should be visible. If not, you can refresh or log out, log in again. Perfect. Now we have the combination of my warehouse and Skynet company. Few interesting screens. Facility parameters. With many parameters which can be used and will be used in some next lectures. Also company parameters. I don't want to go too deep into the detail right now, but for example, I can show you one interesting one parameter is about the error messages you can get when something failed, for example, wave or connection to your automatization, whatsoever. So I want to, yeah, put in my email. So now I should get the notification once some error related to this parameter key will appear. One. Yeah. That will be all for this lecture. So thank you. I'll be back next time with locations. Take care.